Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Friday, the 14th of March. The euro slumped by more than 120 pips against the US dollar after recording a 2.5-year high at 139.66. The ECB President Mario Draghi stated yesterday that forward guidance may help the euro to move lower. Interest rates will be lower and avoid the possibility of higher inflation. The US dollar dropped another 100 pips during yesterday's session against the Japanese yen and reached a new low at 101.48. The yen appreciates as tensions in Ukraine escalate ahead of a referendum that may separate Crimea from Ukraine amid demand for haven assets. Looking at equities, the US 500 slid from a high of 1874 down to 1841. The index moved lower due to weak Chinese data, and the tensions in Ukraine overshadowed the improved US reports. Looking at commodities, WTI crude oil remained under pressure and is now trading at around $98 per barrel. The crude oil dropped more than $5 this week as Chinese economy slowed down. And our mover and shaker today is the British pound. The British pound rallied from its monthly low at 165.67 all the way up to 167.16 against the US dollar before retracing back to 166.08. The cable strengthened on speculation that the Bank of England may increase interest rates. Option traders may consider constructing a long straddle on the sterling dollar. A long straddle can be constructed by purchasing an at-the-money call and selling an out-of-the-money put. And watch out at 8:15 GMT in Switzerland. We have the PPI month-on-month forecast to rise by 0.3%. At 12:30 GMT in the US, we have the PPI month-on-month expected at 0.2%. And at 13:55 in the US, we have the preliminary UOM consumer sentiment expected at 81.9. Thank you for tuning in to our daily outlook. We look forward to seeing you again next week. I'm Emma Andre from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good weekend.